everyone, welcome to Botany Insider. So this particular video is regarding the latest update that we have received from the CSIR official site, and that is regarding the applications form. So the examination which is going to be held in September 2022, the registration for the same is now on the official site. You can go there and register yourself for this particular examination. I'll give you a quick understanding regarding how you can do this complete procedure. So all you have to do is you have to go to the Google and just type there CSIR UGC-NET NTA. So you will be reaching to this particular site, and over here just scroll down and click over here, that is the registration for the joint CSIR UGC-NET June 2022, the examination which is going to be held on in the September month. So as in when you click over here, you will see that you have to click on this particular area, that is new registration. You have to register yourself for this particular examination so that you can appear in the same. So after clicking on the new registration, you will come to this particular page and you have to read all the instructions very carefully. So talking about the instructions, the very first thing you have to remember is about the fee payment. That is, you have to pay a particular amount of fees for entering into this examination. If you belong to the general category, the complete amount is 1000 rupees. Then we have OBC, SC, ST, etc. Now, in addition to this, the GST would also have to be paid. That means 1000 plus a particular percentage of GST would also be paid by the student. Now, talking about the application procedure, we have the first step as in which you have to register yourself. After the registration, you will be forwarded to the next step, and that is regarding the application form. And in this application form, make sure that you have these following things prepared for yourself for the uploading part. Now, what things you have to be prepared about? The very first thing is a recent photograph should be colored or black and white but with a clear contrast. Next, the photograph and the signature should be in JPG format. The size of the photograph and the signature is as given, and also you have to upload the scanned copy of the certificates, which should be between 10 KB to 300 KBs. So it is highly suggested that before starting off with your examination registration, first try to have all these things prepared with yourself in the specified amount, that is in this particular size range itself, and then you have to make sure that the correction facility will not be given in the future. That means you have to be very careful while filling out these forms. Now, you also have to check your photograph and the signature before the submission. That is, if it is blurred or it is not visible, the application will be rejected and there will be no correction or revision will be permitted. So make sure that you have a very good quality of photograph and signature file prepared with yourself. Then you have to pay the examination fees, which could be paid via net banking, debit card, credit card, or the UPIs. Now the next thing is that these steps can be done together or separately. That means what you can do is you can first today itself just register yourself and generate your application number and password, and as and when you get time after you have prepared your photocopies of all the photographs and other things, then do the step 2 and step 3. So this was about the main information, and then you have to remember that for the password thing, make sure that you make the password and the security question to remember it. Like sometimes what happens, students tend to forget their password and then they find it difficult to download their admit cards. Make sure that you remember your password. I would suggest you just write it down somewhere in your important notebook that this was the application number and this was the password, because when you get the admit cards, it would be required for you to have the password and the application number with yourself. In addition, when you fill out the form, you'll also see that there's a security question and its answer which you have to choose. So make sure you remember that as well. So this was about it. Then talking about the password. The password must be 8 to 13 characters long. Password should be at least one uppercase alphabet. These all things are something that we all know. So make sure that you read all these instructions very, very nicely. I'm just giving you an overview regarding the same. Now, after you have read all the informations, after you have done with the reading of the same, you have to click over here, that is, I have downloaded the information bulletin of the joint CSIR UGC-NET 2022 June examination, and you have understood and read them. Now, after this, just click on the proceed option. When you click on to proceed, you will see, you will switch over to this particular area where you have to fill in your personal details, present address, and all the important required things. So this was about this particular video. Do not wait for the last moment. Do not think about कि बाद में fill out करेंगे. I would suggest you just fill out the forms, register yourself, and get done with this particular process and start revising very, very nicely. I hope this video was helpful for you and it gave you an update regarding the same. So thank you so much everyone for watching this video. Good luck. Start revising, start practicing. You have just few days left for your examination. I wish you all the very best, and if you want PYQ pointers which could help you to revise the previous year question papers at the easiest manner, and also the revision lectures, we have 50 revision classes, recorded lectures. If you wish to have these for a quick revision of the complete syllabus of the CSIR except for the animal physiology, so you can WhatsApp on the number as given in the description box, and you can have yours so that you can revise the complete concepts at a much faster way and in a much smarter way. So this was about this particular video. Thank you for watching. Good luck, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Botany Insider. I'll see you soon. Bye.